How to appear offline on Messenger even when you are online. So what you want to do is tap on these three lines at the top left of your screen. Then you want to choose this gear icon on the top to go to settings. And you want to select this privacy and safety. Then you want to choose this active status. And you want to turn this off. And just a reminder, when you turn these settings off, you will also not be able to see active status from your friend in Messenger, including when you are on the chat with them. And if you have another device with the same account, please check these settings again as it sometimes only works on one device. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.